Our series is now 2-1 with the Tropang Giga taking the lead. Joining us, our player of the game, Glenn Cabuntin, and winning coach, Chot Reyes. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach, you always credit your victories to your defense. The Quan Jones' quarterfinal average of 38 points per game. You just limited him tonight. How did you adjust your defense on him, and how did this dictate your offense, considering you shot 45.5% from the outside?
Um, yeah, you're right. All of our discussion yesterday at practice was just how to continue, just make some slight adjustments with our defense, and then as well counter the adjustments they made in Game 2 with their defense. They gave us a lot of problems on offense. We turned the ball over actually 16 times in the last game, which is way beyond our average. Because of the defensive adjustments they made. So we made sure that our players were aware of it, and they did a good job responding to everything that we showed them, and where the shots would be, where they could get their shots. So I think that was the key tonight. If for any team in this league to win by a big margin, it has to be a combination of good defense with good offense. So finally tonight we were able to get both together.
Okay, Glenn, thank you, Coach. Glenn, from averaging 21.74% from the outside to 100% shooting tonight from the three. Ano ba yung pinanghugutan mo sa laro mo ngayon, at ano ba yung mga opportunities na nakita mo sa court? Kaya ganito na rin kaganda ang iyong ipinakita at ibinuhos.
You just want to win though. So yung sabi nga ni Coach, kung open kayo, tira nyo lang. So for me, yun lang yung iniisip ko. So focus na ako dun sa defense. So if the ball papunta sa akin, so binitawan ko lang. So thankfully na pumasok yung 3 points niya.
We now open the floor to the media.
Coach, si Glenn kasi nakakatira naman siya, may range naman siya from the outside, but were you surprised that nakatira pa siya ng 5 and he was perfect from it?
No, that was part of the adjustments they made. They were really giving certain players of ours open looks, and they were banking on the fact that they would shut down the lane for Ronde, specifically our penetrators, Ronde, Jason, and sila Roger, and gambling on the fact that hopefully our outside shooters would miss. And so we showed them that in the video yesterday sa practice. Sinabi namin, you're getting open looks. You just ano sinabi ko at the end of practice, just do your job. Just do your job. Just, you know, we're not asking anyone to be Superman, but just libre, shoot. And then we also had a discussion about our free throws because we missed 15 free throws the last game. So sabi ko, as bad as we played the last game, if we had just missed 5 less free throws, we would still have a chance to win. So, yun lang inano namin, just to be able to do our jobs, everyone playing their roles, and then take advantage of the gifts, the free throws, like the free throws. So, like I said, maganda ngayon that tumama kami, that we started hitting our shots.
Coach, can you talk about yung parang progress ni
Well, if you will remember, before siya na, di ba, he sat out one game dahil tinahi siya. Ang ganda na lang nilalaro ni Calvin di ba? And then he had to sit out that one game and he's really struggled since then because he has a lot of stitches, hindi lang 5 or 6, at daming stitches, ha? 30 plus stitches yung loob So you put yourself in his shoes, it's no joke to try come back. And so he really struggled, not only on offense but even defense. Kasi syempre, isusubo mo pa yung mukha mo, dami mong tahi dito, di ba? So we wanted to ease him in off the bench, which he's been doing din naman in the elimination round. But then now, we said, okay, after a couple of games that he's been struggling, we thought that it's time to bring him back to the starting lineup. And as you can see, that's really where he's, I think, most comfortable in. And same message to Calvin, just do your job. Just do your job. And just be Calvin of Tana. So I think that's, if Calvin and Glenn are hitting shots, then that's going to be a really big problem for them.
Coach, ano pa yung nakikita niyo dapat yung i-improve to close out the series on Tuesday?
There are still some, alam niyo kami as coaches, we'll always find something, right? There's still some lapses in our defense, and I'm sure Coach Jong, they're already plotting the adjustment to what we did defensively today. So yun ang kailangan namin gawin. So we have to counter their counters to our counter.
Ano tingin mong kailangan yung gawin para matapusin na yung next game ninyo, matapos yun? Ano kailangan yung gawin?
For me, it's up to Coach Chot. So, depende na yung bukas kung anong game plan niya. So, kasi yun yung pinakamahirap ko, diba, mag-close out ng game. So, it depends on Coach.
Balik lang ako sa tanong mo kasi ngayon ko lang nakita yung stats. If there's something that we need to improve in, it's our free throw shooting. We still shot below 70% today, so we have to improve that. That's an area of focus for us. So yeah, balik lang.
So yun, depende sa kanila. So ano adjustment nila para ma-close out yung game kasi yun yung pinakamahirap gawin. So
dami nila kasi ang shooters Gano'n ka-importante na pag ikaw ang tumutok, gano'n ka-importante yun para sa team na ikaw rin gumagawa sa outside?
Kasi sa akin, hindi ko naman masyado iniisip yun kasi iba yung trabaho ko rin sa team namin. So, I need to play defense every time kasi ako yung first line din ng defender after ni Kuya Kelly ako. So, hindi ko masyadong iniisip yun. So, talagang if ma-shoot ko siya, so, kahit pa paano magbibigay ng problem sa other team. So, mapapaisip sila kung anong gagawin siguro. Mas malalang ma-open yung bola kay Roger and Calvin. And especially Rondale.
Congratulations.
Thank you. 17.